we are getting, well, we are now. Looks like it's about ready to rain. It's way too hot. So we're gonna be bringing the horses in. Like if you see your horse doing that, it's probably time for them to come in. Oh, I'm bleeding. I know you don't like it. Huh. Carl, be good. Alright, come on, Haggy. Come on. Come on. I'll be back for you too. It's alright, we'll get there. He gets so scared of this fan when we walk in. Watch him. Oh, oh no! Go on, go in. It's okay. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Take it off. Alright, now we're getting the two crazy ones. I mean, to me, they're wild. They know how to get away from you, even with the chain on. They will just bolt. And we're free! Alright. You ready to go in, Carl? I know it probably sucks if I don't get to see them on the video too much unless we're taking out or bringing in. Federo! Federo! I probably made a big boo-boo. Left the gate open. If he takes off, he's going right for the gate. Here, Carl. Come here, Derry. Good boy. Good boy. You're probably like, what the fuck is on your head, boy? Whoops. Come on. Carl, you're jerking my arm off, dude. I trust him enough to just walk straight in. Come on, Carl. Good boy. Old snores. Hang on, wait. Let me get you undone here. Alright, come on. Come on. See, they just walk right in. Good boy, Carl. Here, I'll take Carter. I just didn't know if you guys needed me or not. And these ropes suck. They give you such bad rope burn. Because of shit like that. Chill out! Carter! You're gonna rip my arm off. Oh, put fly spray on, brother. He's already had it. Fly spray don't do shit. If anything, I think it just pisses the flies off. Good boy, Carter. Yeah. Is that good, Costello? Rub your mouth all over the gate. Costy. Boy. Hang on, Jamie. I'm watching you, Carter. Don't bite. Carter, stop it! Jimmy, pay attention, bro. Safety first. And recording this. Oh, little baby. Come on, little baby. Good girl. Good girl. Ooh, look how cute. They're so cute. Yes, you are. Easy now, walk. We don't want to get too crazy. Stop trying to bite. You little freak. Here, little freak, yeah. Ooh, Delilah. Ooh, Delilah. Such a sweet little pony. Just look at her. You're so cute. You look like your mama. Oh, you look like your mama. Hey, don't you try and kick me now. Your mama already did. Whoa. She just tripped again. I think she's stepping on a rock the wrong way. Hey, hey now. There you go. Easy. Easy. No, easy. Come on now. Come on. Look at your mama. She's leaving without you. She got the cold looking with the eye over. We're coming. We got little legs here. Yep, let's go. Alright, I gotta go and let those guys out and give them a couple bales of hay. I already fed the mares too. Have patience. Put some in. Oh no. Don't want that. Hey, go. Go on. I don't need you out here. No. Get in there. fill this thing up as much as I can anyway. Don't you just love hay? It gets everywhere. It's just a normal everyday thing with the horses. Yeah. But please go and like and subscribe to my channel. It'll help out a lot. But I'll see you guys on the next